Cement and grout haze on your tiles or paving? No problem. Here's how to remove it safely, quickly and easily with Floorseal Cement and Grout Haze Remover. Suitable for use on porcelain, sandstone, slate, bricks, terracotta, quarry tiles, clay-based block pavers and Victorian geometric tiles. Before you start, always read the technical datasheet for full and further instructions. This is linked to the product page located on our website. Always test in an inconspicuous place before treating the whole area. Do not apply to sensitive surfaces like concrete, limestone, travertine, or marble. Floorseal Cement and Grout Haze Remover is usually applied undiluted, but for very light hazing, you can dilute the product with water. Spread the solution and agitate using a brush. This can be a general paint brush, medium stiff bristle brush, or yard brush. Let the solution dwell for a few minutes, but don't let it dry out. Agitate the surface with a brush. You will see the solution reacting with the cement or grout haze. The solution will bloom as it encounters a cement-based haze. To prevent premature drying, ideally add more product or a little water. For stubborn or deeper staining, you may wish to repeat the process. Always rinse the area thoroughly with clean water after each application. Never let the cleaner dry on the surface. Coverage will vary depending on how porous the surface is, the severity of the haze, and the dilution ratio. The coverage rate on a non-porous tile like porcelain will be much greater than a porous natural stone like sandstone. Fresh, clean tiles and paving make all the difference. Whether it's a newly tiled kitchen or a patio, you will achieve fantastic results. To view our full range of cleaners and sealers, visit floorseal.co.uk